Want better sleep? Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to take on the day, every day. Do you dream of a flatter tummy? A more toned abdomen can boost your confidence and overall health. Are you seeking clearer lungs, especially after 60? Breathing freely can enhance your quality of life. The answer might be simpler than you think. Sometimes the best solutions are found in nature. Nature holds the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. It's all about harnessing the power of natural ingredients. Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet powerful remedy, a mix of ginger, honey, and lemon. This combination has been cherished for centuries. This natural elixir can significantly improve your well-being, particularly for those over 60. It's a small change with big benefits. As we age, our bodies change. We need to adapt to these changes to maintain our health and vitality. Digestion slows down, sleep becomes more elusive, and we might experience a dip in energy. These are common issues many face. This simple remedy can help combat these common issues. It's a natural way to support your body's needs. It's easy to make, readily available, and incredibly beneficial. You don't need to look far to find these ingredients. Let's explore how this potent mix can revitalize your health and add a pep to your step. It's time to feel youthful and energetic again. Get ready to embrace a natural path toward a healthier and happier you. Your journey to better health starts now. Ginger, a staple in traditional medicine, is a powerhouse of health benefits. This knobby root contains potent compounds like gingerol, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger is incredibly soothing for your digestive system. It helps calm nausea, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Imagine enjoying larger meals without the discomfort of indigestion. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger can also boost your immune system, fight inflammation throughout the body, and even alleviate muscle soreness. Incorporating ginger into your diet is a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall well-being. Honey, nature's liquid gold, has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. Raw honey is rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and antibacterial properties that can work wonders for your health. This natural sweetener is a godsend for a sore throat. Its thick texture coats and soothes irritated tissues, while its antibacterial properties help fight infection. Honey is also a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, further aiding digestion. A spoonful of honey before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Its natural sugars provide a steady energy release, preventing those pesky nighttime wake-ups. Section 4. Lemon, a citrus burst of wellness. Lemon, with its bright flavor and refreshing aroma, is more than just a tasty addition to your drinks. This citrus fruit is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens your immune system and protects your cells from damage. Lemon juice is also known to aid digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive juices, helping your body break down food more efficiently. This can help relieve bloating, heartburn, and other digestive discomforts. Furthermore, lemons are a natural diuretic, meaning they can help flush out toxins and excess water weight. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water throughout the day can contribute to a healthier you. Section 5. The synergy of ginger, honey, and lemon, a powerful concoction. When combined, ginger, honey, and lemon create a blend that is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. This trio has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science is now catching up to its benefits. The synergy between ginger, honey, and lemon amplifies their individual benefits, creating a potent natural remedy for various health concerns. This is especially true for those over 60. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, combined with the soothing nature of honey, make this mixture a powerful ally in combating inflammation and pain. The vitamin C boost from lemon further enhances this concoction, creating a powerful elixir that can help boost your immune system. This is particularly beneficial as we age and become more susceptible to illnesses. This mixture can also work wonders for your digestive system. Ginger aids digestion by stimulating saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, while honey soothes the gut lining. Honey soothes the gut, reducing irritation and promoting a healthy digestive tract. Lemon promotes the production of digestive juices, all working together to alleviate digestive discomforts and promote regularity. Furthermore, this concoction can improve sleep quality. Honey provides a steady energy release, preventing nighttime wake-ups, while ginger and lemon work to detoxify the body, promoting relaxation and restful sleep. This combination can be a game changer for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. Incorporating this powerful concoction into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being, making it a simple yet effective addition to a healthy lifestyle. Section 6. Real People, Real Results. This section is dedicated to showcasing the real-life experiences and transformations of individuals who have embraced our natural remedy. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the heartfelt stories and genuine testimonials from those who have seen remarkable changes. We've received incredible feedback from people over 60 who have incorporated this natural remedy into their routines. Their stories are a testament to the power of nature in promoting health and well-being. I've been battling indigestion for years, shares Margaret, a vibrant 65-year-old. She recalls the discomfort and frustration she felt before discovering this remedy. Since I started taking this ginger-honey-lemon mix every night, my digestion has improved significantly. It's like a miracle, she exclaims. I can finally enjoy my meals without discomfort. No more bloating or pain, just pure enjoyment of food. John, a 70-year-old retiree, raves about the sleep benefits. He had struggled with insomnia for years. I used to toss and turn all night, he says. The sleepless nights were taking a toll on my health and mood. Now I have a teaspoon of this mixture before bed, and I sleep soundly through the night. It's been a game changer. I wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. These are just a few of the many success stories we've received. Each story is unique, but they all share a common theme of improved health and happiness. This simple remedy has the potential to transform your health, just like it has for countless others. Embrace the change and experience the benefits for yourself. Section 7. Join the wellness journey. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of ginger, honey, and lemon? Incorporating this natural remedy into your daily routine is simple and delicious. To make this potent elixir, simply combine freshly grated ginger, raw honey, and lemon juice in a jar. Store it in the refrigerator and consume a teaspoon before bed or as needed. We're incredibly grateful for your support on this wellness journey. We believe that nature holds the key to a healthier and happier life, and we're committed to sharing these natural remedies with you. Please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this valuable information with your loved ones. Together, let's embrace a natural path toward a healthier and more vibrant life.